Hi, this is Venkatanarayana from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss Armstrong number for 3-digit number in C#. This is continuation to previous video, part 55, count even and odd numbers in an array in C#. Please go through previous video before going to this video. What is an Armstrong number? Here we have input number 153. The sum of cubes of each individual digit is equal to a number. Then that number is Armstrong number. Here 153, 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 153. Here we have another number 1634. This contains 4 digits like 1, 6, 3, 4. So we need to do 1 power 4 plus 6 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 power 4 equal to 1634. 1634 is Armstrong number. How to find Armstrong number? We need to use modulus and division operator to find Armstrong number. For example, 153 is Armstrong number. How to check 153 is Armstrong number? Here 153 divided by 10. Quotient is 15, remainder is 3. We are getting 3. Let us take 15. 15 divided by 10. Here quotient is 1, remainder is 5. Let us take 1. 1 divided by 10. Quotient is 0, remainder is 1. Here we are getting individual digits like 3, 5, 1 from 153. Later we need to cube these individual digits. We will discuss this logic over Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio and create C# application. First step is we need to read input from command prompt. Console.write. Please provide input number. Declare a variable to store input value int input and read input from command prompt int dot parse of console dot readline. Declare other two variables int result equal to 0, int temp equal to input. Here input value is stored into temporary variable. Later we will use temporary variable in the logic to find individual digits while temp not equal to 0, int remainder equal to temp modulus 10 result plus equal to remainder into remainder temp equal to temp divided by 10 if input equal to result console.writeline. Here placeholder 0 is Armstrong number. Copy this statement. Else here is not Armstrong number. Execute this code. Control F5. Please provide input number 153. Enter. Here we are getting output like 0 is Armstrong number. We need to format data. Here, comma input. Here, comma input. Control F5. 153. 153 is Armstrong number. Control F5. 121. 121 is not Armstrong number. We will debug this program to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here. Go to debug. Here, start debugging or F5. Later click step into or F11. Click on start debugging. F11. Read input. Here 153. Enter. In result is equal to 0. Here input is equal to 153. 153 is stored into temporary variable. Here temp is equal to 153. While 153 not equal to 0. True. Here 153 modulus 10. 153 modulus 10 will get remainder as 3. F11 Here remainder 3. Later 3 into 3 into 3, 27. The 27 is stored into reject variable. Here result is equal to 27. Later 153 divided by 10 will get quotient. Quotient as 15. Here temp is equal to 15. F11. 15 not equal to 0. True. 15 modulus 10 will get 5 as remainder. 5 into 5 into 5, 125. 125 plus 27 will get result is equal to 152. 15 divided by 10, temp is equal to 1. 1 not equal to 0, true. Here 1 modulus 10 we get remainder is equal to 1. Here 1 into 1 into 1, that means 1. 1 plus 152, result is equal to 153. Later 1 divided by 10, here 0. 0 not equal to 0, false, it exits from while loop. Here input is equal to 153, result is equal to 153. 153 equal to 153, that means 153 is Armstrong number. Here output is 153 is Armstrong number. If you want to find Armstrong number for 4 digits, here we need to multiply 4 times. Here into remainder, control F5, 1634, enter. 1634 is Armstrong number. Here we hard coded logic to find Armstrong number, but we need to write generic logic. We'll discuss generic logic in the future video. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.